Hello guys, another video out of Joey over here, and this is a tutorial on the eyes. I'm actually recording this in my bedroom. Was supposed to say that, but anyway, so I'm just doing a tutorial on the eyes, basic form of the eyes, how the light falls on the eye. You know, how you can get the basic idea of drawing an eye, you know, in the image in your head, so that when you're drawing your portraits or drawing from memory or imagination, it looks realistic. All right, so as I'm starting off with the basic head shape that I posted I posted a few videos, not so many, sorry, a few videos on already. And yeah, I'm just doing the whole ball, the sphere with the cut-off sides right now. Then I'm doing the angle sort of thing. Yeah, and as I zoom in a bit, yeah, so I'm trying to get it in three-dimensional view, so that it looks realistic. Things look realistic, three-dimensional view. Yeah, basically what we're trying to do as a pencil artist is trying to mimic a three-dimensional form on a 2D surface. 2D surface is like a flat surface, that's a paper, and we're trying to make a 3D image. You get it? Like a face looks so 3D that it looks like it's popping out of the paper. It looks so real. That's the whole thing about us pencil artists. So yeah, I just did the basic shape of the head with the jawline and the chin. That's what I'm doing right now, and that's the jawline I'm doing. Yeah, and just making it look organic. Don't do it too straight, just put a little bit of curves in it. And I have to delve in deeper with the ear, but the ear normally falls in the last quarter of that circle over there. Yeah, the back side. Yeah, doing some little bit skirmish with the chin. Yeah, trying to get from the chin. I was actually trying to find out the line, the connection from the chin into the neck. So I just do a little bit of a neck, you know, like a t-shirt color sort of thing. Yeah, I think I messed up the neck, but anyway, I'll do another video on it, God's grace. So I took another pencil, blue pencil, trying to make different marks, differences, yeah, so that we can all see. Yeah, I'm actually come to draw. Come to draw what the eye, how the eyes fit in the head. All right, so the head is there. Now I am actually trying to draw how the eyes fit in the head. What I'm drawing right now is the keystone. Keystone is like the space in between your eyes, and it's a connection into your nose. Now, as I'm doing this, let me just tell you, the eye is sort of goes inside the head. All right, the connection, not necessarily the connection, the placement of the eyes are inside the head. All right, they sort of go inside. So now I'm drawing the nose. The nose protrudes, okay, it comes out. Yeah, we'll do a whole video on the nose, God's grace, soon. It comes out, and it's still connected to the face. It doesn't, like, you know, stand outside hanging. It's still connected to the face, connected to the inside of the eye, the bottom of the eye. I'm doing the other bottom of the other eye, and as you can see, the angle in which the placement of the eye is, it goes inside. You get it? It slopes inside, like from the outside, from your eyebrow, it slopes inside into your upper cheek, somewhere there. So I'm just putting in some shade in there so that you know that it's inside the head, and the shade sort of represents the fact that it's gone inside. And when something goes inside the head like that, inside a form like this, light doesn't really hit that particular area, so it becomes dark. You get it? I think I have to do a video on the form of light on an object. So I'm doing some extra shading, actually with a green pencil, just doing different color pencils to make it visible so that y'all can get the picture. This video was pretty fun. God's grace, I'll do another one. Okay, so that's like the far corner of the eye, and then that is like the eyebrow I'm drawing, just a simple eyebrow. As I'm doing these things, I'm understanding more and more, so I'm not really perfect, but I'll be better along the way. This reference, actually, I'm drawing from a reference. It's from the book Michael Hampton. Michael Hampton, figure drawing, Michael Hampton. So God's grace, I'll leave the link. I'll leave a link in the description for you to be able to get the download. So you see how it is. It fits inside the head. It's not necessarily hanging out or flat on the surface. Not flat. It's inside. You know, that's the basic placement of the eyes. I think when I do the skull, I think it'll be more understandable. But this video is basic video. Yeah, so I'm just doing the corners, the inside of the eyes, like the sockets. Exactly, the sockets. Excuse me, sorry, trying to figure it out. So I did the nose there, and I just sketched off the mouth, and then the start of the chin. I did a little jawline, not a jawline, cheekbone line, and I'm doing the roundness of the mouth area, and then the chin, going down into the chin. Yeah. Yeah. So another cheekbone area, just suggesting it so that it doesn't, not too much detail. That wasn't the focus of this video. So yeah, and then suggesting the ear. I think in this video I spent too much time trying to design the ear for some reason. I don't know. I love the ear so much. Yeah, I don't even know how to draw the ear really well, but it's just a nice thing to do. Yeah. So yeah, that side is actually a certain angle. You can actually feel that angle when you touch the corner, the angle corner of your eyebrow. That is, I think that's what normally the barbers they use to trace the hairline, the shape, the angle of the hairline that they make it look sharp. Yeah. So over here, I'm going back with a more simple drawing, trying to re-establish the fact that the eyes fit inside the structure of the head. They're not just placed on the outside or on the surface. It's like a cut out from, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. See, so from the eyebrow, yeah, just draw the nose. From where the eyebrow is into where the bottom of the eye is, sort of like a cut out area. And that's what I'm shading right now. Yeah, so that you get the gesture of it. So that's inside. It goes inside as the arrow I just drew. Inside, 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 inside. When you think of that, when you're drawing any portrait or drawing eyes, you know, from imagination, it makes it more realistic. It shows that you have understanding of what you're actually doing. Yeah. What do I do next? Still waiting. It's like I'm watching a fresh video. So that's the center line of the face, you know, showing the form. You see the bend there? It's like where the eyebrows are, then another bend out. So it bends inside and bends out, coming down. Yeah, I'm doing with a red pencil. Bends outside, bends in, goes inside. Yeah, and then comes out with the nose and the other aspect of the face. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it again. That's a forehead, then it goes out with the brows and goes inside with the eyes, and then out with the nose and other thing, and all the way down. So that's like the form you should understand really to get the whole picture of it. Now I'm gonna draw front view of the face and show that the eyes they're not just simply put. There are two spheres, two balls put inside the head. Yeah, so I'm just doing a basic measurement sort of thing. So you can see that I cut out the edges of the head, because the head is not necessarily a round ball. It's like a ball with the sides cut off. So I'm doing some jawline suggestion, some mouth suggestion, and the chin. Yeah. So then if you divide the ball in half, you sort of get where the eyes are. Okay. Yeah. So it's just two balls fit inside the head. That's what they are, really. So when you're doing that, you should realize that anything around the eyes should be in a spherical form, meaning it should wrap around the ball. You get what I'm saying? Yes. Excuse me. So I'm coming to draw. I'm actually drawing a simple ball, and I'm showing that the eyelids really, they wrap around, so they're not straight lines. They are arcs, right? They are arcs that wrap around the ball. Just sort of trying to get the dimension right. So I draw a straight line across to get the other eye in at least a good position. So it's a ball and stuff wraps around the ball, so the lines are spherical, like they are arcs, they are not straight lines. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, just drawing in the inside of the eyes,